welcome to the Wander 360 channel. Today we're reviewing a product from Atisan Outdoor Tools. It is a clone of what can only be described as a Swiss Army knife. It's subtly different, but fundamentally it's the same design idea. Again, another Aliexpress product, cost me £7.10 including postage. Seems to be quite well made. Let's see what we get with it. We have Phillips head screwdriver, a random non-sharp thing, which according to the instructions is an icebreaker. We get a nail file, which is particularly useful for people with nails. Most importantly is a corkscrew, but apparently according to the instructions this is only for red wine, not white wine. Quite why, don't know. Maybe with everyone drinking Prosecco you don't need one. Classic getting stone out of horses' hoofs, and also for repairing sails and eyelet. Here we have the all-important can opener and beer bottle opener. We then come up to a reasonably sharp wood saw, the always random fish descaler, and one thing that is going to be quite useful is a pair of scissors. Not many have these, and then of course you end up with the knife. Reasonably sharp, stainless steel, it's all stainless steel construction, seems well made, it's relatively heavy. If you're looking for a cheap alternative for a Swiss Army knife, thoroughly recommend this. Not many of the multi-tools come with a corkscrew, which I think is really important. I mean, if you can't open a bottle of wine, what is the point of it all? Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.